Hello students, how are you? By the grace of God, weekly trading levels are ready and I am presenting over here. On April 23rd, it was written, is it Nifty again ready for the big move? And two levels were mentioned, 16,848 and 18,772. On that day, the Nifty 50 was very close to the level of 16,848. The magic number of 18,772 achieved last week, and Nifty 50 corrected by 200 points just in a day or two from the high of the week. What next? 18,772 and 19,279 is the trend deciding range for the next few months. Last week, Gold MCX hit the resistance too. TCS hit the final support. Tata Motors hit the final resistance. Nifty managed to the magical number of 18,772. Bitcoin USD hit the support too successfully. Okay, by these words, lots of love, blessing, happy trading and happy investing to all my students. Lots of love from the core of my heart.